Hello, gents. Today I am going to teach you how to make a remote-controlled fireball. Everybody needs a remote-controlled fireball. The uses are endless. All you need is a little gasoline, a remote-controlled car, and some styrofoam. Who the heck?
Hi, Joel. How are you?
Who are you?
I'm Myron. Can I get your autograph?
Okay, Myron. Well, I don't know you and I didn't invite you here, so get out of here.
Just give me your John Hancock and I'll be on my way.
No, creep. Get out. Go. Get out of here. Beat it. Get out.
Fine.
Don't come back.
You haven't seen the last of Myron.
Okay. Where was I? All right. So step one, I'm gonna whip up a little batch of napalm. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, I'm just going to whip up a small batch of napalm. You start by putting some gasoline in the jar. I'm going to put about half a cup in. Next, you break off pieces of styrofoam and you just stick them in there. They will dissolve in the gasoline. You stir it up and you just keep putting more in. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I put a lot of styrofoam in there. It kept dissolving, and then finally it stopped dissolving, and I got to this point where I have this gel right here. So this is the napalm I'm looking for. I'm going to put this all over the remote control car now. And I have a massive headache right now. Ugh. All right, use number one for a remote control fireball. Let's say you got a bad guy hiding behind cover. You can't get to him. You go back there, he's going to shoot you. What do? You send a remote control fireball after him. That's what you do.
Hey, that's working really good, Joel.
Who? Crap. Myron, you followed me out here? All right, last use for a remote control fireball. Take it out annoying fanboys. I really didn't like that guy. But fire suits him well.
You haven't seen the last of Myron. Oh, what a world, what a world.
Take that, Myron, you weirdo. Won't sneak up on me again. Now, if I can just perfect the art of the remote control fireball that's reusable, then I'd really be in business. See you soon, gents.